Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculating the error bound for this alternating series is actually super quick if you follow these 3 simple steps to find the exact value you need. First, identify the general term of the series. Since it is an alternating series, we focus on the magnitude, which is 2 raised to the power of 4 minus n. The alternating series estimation theorem states that the error of a partial sum is bounded by the absolute value of the first omitted term. For S4, that is A5. Finally, substitute n equals 5 into our general term formula. 2 to the power of 4 minus 5 is 2 to the negative first, which equals 1/2. Boom! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore the index trap. Always use the next term rule to find the error.